Hey, so we gonna make chicken quesadilla. So first we take one of these things, which I don't know what these called, and place it on here. Oh, we have its ingredients. So we gonna take some chicken first, and then just crunch it up and mash it, and then yeah. If you're 4 years old, you cannot do this. If you're 7 years old, you gotta be a big boy. So guess what? So we're gonna take this and do this, and we're gonna add us cheese. And then we're gonna roll this up. We're gonna take this and take this kind of thing, what it called, on here. And guess what? And if it's not working, then roll it up so it could work. It's getting a little bit ready. And okay, so guess what? I am this-handed, so I'ma just pin it on the whatever it's called, and I'ma flip it over. Take your time, and yeah, and then do it. It's almost getting ready.